Why does your scanner show the P1717 engine code? What does it mean? P1717 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission range switch. This engine code indicates that this sensor, also known as the neutral safety switch, is responsible for communicating the gear shift position to the transmission and other vehicle systems. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission range sensor, faulty neutral safety switch, wiring harness issues, low or dirty transmission fluid, battery voltage issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda and Acura vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.